Newtek's high-yield savings account is offering one of the top interest rates on the market, but is it too good to be true? Here's what you need to know before parking your cash. Newtek Bank is an online bank offering a personal high-yield savings account with a strong APY, no monthly fees, and no minimum deposit. It's built for savers who want to earn without jumping through hoops. Right now, it's paying around 4.35% APY, well above the national average. Earlier this year, it was as high as 5.25%. So rates may fluctuate depending on the Fed. There's no minimum deposit or balance requirement, no maintenance or hidden fees, FDIC insured up to $250K, and the sign-up process is quick and fully online. It's a solid option if you want to earn competitive interest without dealing with gimmicks. Transfers are slow though. Expect 2 to 3 business days. You're limited to linking just one external account with a monthly transfer cap of around $25K. Custom service is hit or miss. Some users praise reps by name, others report long wait times and sudden account closures. And there's no checking account, no debit card, it's savings only. Some users had smooth experiences and loved the rate, others ran into issues like repeated withdrawals or frozen funds during verification. Definitely not a platform you want to mess up your bank details with. So Newtek offers one of the best rates for no-fee savings, but it's not for everyone. Great if you're looking to park money and let it grow. Not so great if you need flexibility or fast access. Thanks for watching.